Skilling's Mining News Brief. Tesla will establish a factory in Shanghai to manufacture its megapack energy storage battery. The plant will start production in the second quarter of 2024, with a capacity to manufacture 10,000 megapacks annually. Tesla plans to leverage China's dominant battery supply chain to increase megapack output and lower costs, as demand for energy storage rises globally. The company aims to expand its solar energy and battery business to roughly the same size as its car business. Tesla already operates a factory for megapacks in Lathrop, California, with an annual manufacturing capacity of 10,000 units. The company has been experiencing rising inventory in Shanghai as demand weakened in the third quarter of 2022, resulting in aggressive price cuts globally in January. This has been your Skilling's Mining News Brief.